Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the laboratory scale filtration. There are the filter paper and funnel, Buckner funnel and filter paper, sintered glass filter, sint filter and membrane filter. Selection of the filter depend upon the below listed factors. First, the material related equipment and process related properties of the fluid, viscosity, nature of the solid, size, shape, distribution and packing characteristic of particles, concentration of solid in suspension, quantity of the material to be handled, whether it is necessary to wash the solid, whether any form of the pretreatment will be helpful. Equipment and process related. Flow rate should be absolute in sense. Limit to size of the particle passing through the filter should be known. Should be stainlessable, sterilizables by heat, radiations or gas. Should be economical. Plate and frame filter press. Principle. Mechanism is surface filtration. The slurry enter the frame by pressure and flow through the filter medium. The filtrate is collected on the plate and sent to outlet. A number of frames and plates are used so that surface area increased and consequently large volumes of slurry can be processed simultaneously with or without washing. Next, the diagram. Filter press assembly of the plates and frames. Frame, filter cloth or pad plates, wash water, filtrate, support bar, and there are the center screw and catches and plate holes forming the two continuous channels. Assembly of the plate and frame filter. There are the clear filtrate outlet and material enter under the pressure. Frame, there are the plate filter construction. The filter press is made of the two type of unit, plate and the frame, usually made of the aluminum alloy. Sometimes these are also lacquered for protections against corrosive chemical and made suitable for the stream sterilization. Frame, it contains a open space inside, whether in the slurry reservoir is maintained for filtration and an inlet to receive the slurry. It is indicated by one dot in the descriptions through channels and filtrate outlet. Plates support the filter medium receiving the filtrate and outlet. The filter medium, usually cloth, is interposed between plate and frame. Plate filter medium, frame filter medium, and plate are arranged in sequences and clamped to supporting structure. It is the normally described by the dot as 1.2, 1.2 and 1, so on. A number of plates and frames are employed so that the filtration area is as large as necessary. Number of filtration units are operated in the parallel. Channels for slurry inlet and filtrate outlet can be arranged by fitting eye to the plate and frame. These join together to form a channel. In some type, only one inlet channel is formed, while each plate is having individual outlet controlled by valve. Working, working can be working can be divided into two steps: filtrations operation and the washing of cake if desirable. Filtration operation, frame marked by two dots and plate marked by one dot. Plate and frame filter press, principle of filtration operation. The slurry enter the frame from the feed channel. In today's class, I discuss about the following: construction, assembly, plate and frame filter, their diagram. Uh, Thank you for watching.